Alright, students, welcome. This is Mr. Kutsi, and I'm going to be explaining how to do the Parabola extra credit. So here we go. First thing you want to do, you need to be online. Go and open a new tab, and first thing you want to open is desmos.com. If you haven't used that, you should definitely be. Again, desmos.com. And when you first get there, you can ignore all the stuff at the bottom. Just click Launch Calculator. And it brings up your basic screen. Now, before we start graphing anything, we need an image in there. The whole goal of this extra credit is for you to search for a parabola in real life and try and make the equation to match that parabola. So you're going to click on a new tab, and in your Google search, you're just going to type parabola. Okay. We don't want notes on it or anything like that. You want to go ahead and click on images. Now, if you look down here, there's lots of examples of this. We don't really want these ones. These are not what we're looking for. What we're looking for is anything up here, these real life parabolas. So you want to choose one that you find interesting, either Eiffel Tower, nature, things like that. I kind of like roller coasters, so I'm going to click on that. And looking at these, there's some good shots here. Not all roller coasters though, but so let's click specifically on the roller coasters one. There we go. Okay, so what you want, this is sort of not really a direct side view. We'd want something like this. This is a little bit better for us. This one would probably work pretty well. This one over here. So pretty much you just choose whichever one you like. I kind of like this one right here. It's a good side view of the shot. I'm going to click on it. It's going to open that up. I'm going to click View Image. So once you have it open, you need to save it temporarily. Save it to your Downloads folder or save it to wherever. Right now I'm saving in Documents, but you'll notice I want to give it a name. And I already have a roller coaster image in there that I know of, so I'm going to call this Roller Coaster 2. We need to do that so we can come back and find it. So save it, and it's done. Now go back in your browser tab and go ahead and open Desmos again. And what you're going to want to do is click on Add Item over here. And there's lots of choices you can add. What we're going to do is add an image. And there it is. Roller Coaster 2 is right there at the top. So click on that. Click on Open, and presto, it throws it in there. Now you'll notice this is pretty small, so you'll want to grab it from the corner and resize it so you really get a good size here. Okay. And once you've got that, now it's time to put a parabola in there. Okay. So right now image 1 is this parabola. There's a roller coaster, so we need to click over here where the 2 is, click in this spot, and it gives you room to type in your equation. So if you type y equals, and we need an x squared, so type in x, that's a line, so we need the calculator, sorry, not the calculator, the keyboard for the calculator, and we're going to open the keyboard, and there it is, and we need to click squared. So now it's a parabola. Okay, so there's a couple things we want to do. I'm done with the keyboard, so I'm going to click back over here, and it hides the keyboard. The parabola is good. What we want to do, though, is it's a little bit light colored. The line could be darker, and the way you do that is you click on the graph settings over here and go to projector mode. That just makes everything a little bit darker, a little heavier line here. Again, the parabola is not facing the correct direction, and it's not the right size. That's the extra credit part for you. So as you know from class, if you make this a negative parabola, negative x squared, then it flips it upside down. Okay, it's still not wide enough, so you're going to need to mess with the numbers in front to make it negative. Let's get rid of this keyboard, it's kind of annoying me. You're going to change the numbers in front to make it negative, and you're going to add or subtract a number to shift it upwards. And so you want to get, ideally, when you turn this in, it should be matching completely. Okay, so it should be right on top of where the roller coaster is, as close as possible. What we got right here is not cutting it. This is not done yet. You need to change the numbers there and at the end. And that's your task. Once you've done that, you got a couple options for how you can do this. You can create an account if you'd like. That will allow you to save this, which is kind of a nice feature. Otherwise, your other option is to screen capture it. So you can open your screen capture thing, go ahead and capture the whole thing. And like that, and then just include it in a email to me, and you're done. All right, thanks for checking out this video, and good luck with the extra credit. And go ahead and feel free to email me if you have any other questions. Thanks.